again for a brand new episode of Farm-ville Fridays with your host, Jalilino.
And I'm Arnie Augustine.
This week's episode, we actually gone on Mr. Jack August's farm.
Mr. Jack August, to be specific, in case no one wonder which Mr. Jack. Huh?
Yes, Mr. Jack. We used to work at Public Works. Big up yourself, Mr. Jack. He actually took us to both locations. He took us to his home farm, which is located here in town, around almost in the Indianville area.
Close to where the power, I said, the walk, the BWS.
Yes.
Then there with pure bills, no?
Yeah, exactly. And what he actually did was, there's a lot of vacant lots around his neighborhood. So rather than the lots growing out, Mr. Jack actually decided to cut down those lots and plant certain things like okra, some cucumber, just to utilize it. So rather than it's just being there, not doing anything, he's like, you know what, let me utilize a lot of this vacant lot.
Which is actually a good initiative, because all of you always complain, but when you have the neighbors, they have their bush a lot. You know, they have rats to get in your yard, in your home, snakes and whatever that pest people we don't want, right?
Yes.
So large up Mr. Jack to actually take the initiative upon himself and plant out all the vacant lots, even alongside the airstrip too.
Yes, alongside that too. And also what he did, he has I would say a small poultry farm there too. He have duck, chicken, turkey, guinea hen, you name it, Mr. Jack got it right there on his farm. So that's actually the first location. Then he took us to his second location, where he has some of his other mango trees and stuff, but mainly focusing on cattle. He actually is revamping his cattle system that he has there, and he has a few cattle that he have actually on the second location. But as usual, don't want to get long-winded.
Sit back,
relax, and enjoy this episode. So all the vacant lots around the neighborhood, Mr. Jack decided to utilize them because they were bushy. He chopped them out and started planting okra. More abundant lots. So utilize them. More okra. More okra.
Don't do that there.
Really
Long time. I should catch it when in the top from there.
Every 4 days. Every 4 or 5 days, come up and see. When the turkey they walk off, not all you have to take off the turkey every 4 days, throw them out so they can. You see the turkey, yeah? Every 4 days, I'll throw them out.
Yeah, because they have to drink water and things.
Yeah, they don't have to, but then they train themselves. Every 4 days, just take a hip out, then they go stool. You can lick up the can, and 10 minutes, you don't come back in again. Okay. You must kill 10 minutes, then you don't come back in again. This one young turkey, you know?
Oh, that's turkey.
Then the one and then the other one. Turkey, chicken, duck, everything is the same. Not them and stuff like that. But chicken, duck, everything is there. There's no pull by then. Yeah, I got 200 animals.
Right here.
Okay, I don't believe put a farm.
Okay.
That's not against all the size. Because two can cross for the money. But the one the race all kind of duck and like swim, right? So it's fun to pull back.
Okay.
28 days, the egg, you want to 27 days, one the egg not good. But we try 26 days, you put in a bucket of water, I say they float up in the water top, then put. When they sink the bottom, they never hatch.
Okay.
Then shake it. Light, and then it's float top of the water, you know good.
Young Bala, Young Bala no walk like them, we no talk like them. Girl is a day wine dog, we no want problem, we want girlfriend. Tell them fi fight up dog, we no walk like them, we no talk like them. Girl is a day wine dog, we no want problem, we want girlfriend. Tell them fi fight up. Me stay fresh to me death. Mango prick the way me born, no forget no. The girl them say me little want pay the young boss for the fuck where they get. Girl Girl from Trinidad, I call my phone. Girl from Guyana, I link my home. Girl from Jamaica, I lock down the place. But Belize, girl, I make them know. Young ball and I walk like them, when I talk like them. Girl, it's a day wine, girl, we no want problem, we want girlfriend. Tell them fi fight up, dog, we no walk like them, when I talk like them. Girl, it's a day wine, girl, we no want problem, we want girlfriend. Tell them fi fight up. So many men in the world, but they want young baller. Every girl have to scream my name when me step on the corner. Fresh trim, new car, so me get a new girl for the new car. New suit, man poppin', fresh like me come from foreign. Young ball and I walk like them, we no talk like them. Girl, it's a day wine, girl, we no want problem, we want girlfriend. Tell them fi fight up, dog, we no walk like them, we no talk like them. Girl, it's a day wine, girl, we no want problem, we want girlfriend. Tell them fi fight up. Mango Creek, man, I rep. Alright, yeah, so me I stay for life. Tell me old and great, dead from old age or somebody take me life. Tell them send me straight young ball and I want no bag of man a rush pan me. Less man in at the party tonight. For them more gal I go crush young way. And I walk like them, we no talk like them. Gal is a day wine, girl, we no want problem, we want girlfriend. Tell them fi fight up, dog, we no walk like them, we no talk like them. Gal is a day wine, girl, we no want problem, we want girlfriend. Tell them fi fight up. We no walk like them, we no talk like them. We no want problem, give young ball a the fine girl them. We no walk like them, nah. We no talk like them. We no want problem, give young.
Echo, Echo, come on here. Echo, Echo, Echo.
But it's always the same with the try to do that, boy.
Bad, try to feed some duck. Try to feed some duck. But Joanna, why don't feed the rest of the duck there? The rest of the animal live.
5 o'clock here.
That 5 o'clock, yes. Yes, check it time.
Then, the one that is.
How long you have this one for?
5 years and then the
It almost, kind of almost shape up like a perfect heart. Almost.
documentary, that's why.
If you come across one, you know, come and come to a park, and you come to the gun, and you come to the house of the case of corporate time, and you come to the chair, you park right there, right there, this person called for six. This one they like. That's when you go down, and you go to
When she's smaller.
when you're young, yes. When you're young. You don't have no care. If you don't pick it up, you have no care of it, no baby. I think you don't have about 6, 7 babies to say about. Yeah. Don't forget again.
Diamond League, baby.
I me say Caliber, Caliber, Rockstone. I me say Caliber, Rockstone. We are Caliber. One time them need a boss, but them time they go up. Bunch of sorry ass niggas me not sorry for. Them can't size me up, them can't size me up. None of them can't size me up. Then the whole of them are despise me, but right now I'm my time to up. When I know over him, I
You got tough root.
No, you don't, but when it's young, it's tough. When you know, when it wall, it's
Yeah, it get tough.
but
I remember they try to cut them.
You see elephant grass. That's what they call like, boy.
Elephant grass.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a good field with the calling. Just trying to want to rock some quick thing. I go back fast, so. Because it's neat and no do it. Go back fast. So because it's low and no do it neat. Some people like when they beg, they cut high, then they don't go back with it rough.
Oh, so you cut it from the root.
Yeah, we load up, then quick and go back in 3 weeks time, it's done it up again. What's that? Bonnet?
Yeah, elephant grass. 80% what?
I am 14. The Bombasa don't have nothing shit. You know what that shit, you know good.
So this alone have 18% protein.
Yeah, this is really good. It's the best classical.
So quick question. You can feed pig bombasa,
You know, yeah, so you know, got no nutrients.
but protein.
You know, got.
I mean no bombasa, sorry. Elephant grass.
Yes, this.
Elephant grass, no bombasa. Elephant, that's what I mean.
Almost like cane. You give a pig this, it's almost like cane. You see there?
Yeah.
You go in water just like that, almost like cane. They call it
So
out there.
feel the leaf. The leaves feel like cane.
The next, if I
cane
never
leaf.
rich, they come on my eat from here, go back so because it's more like. But because this got a lot of water in like cane,
Uh-huh.
they want you up all that.
Okay.
This got a lot of nutrients in it, a lot.
Elephant grass. Okay.
The Bombasa not in it.
Nothing in it.
Dry. I want to show the Bombasa, I show the difference.
Mm-hmm.
You know, got there. You know, got them big stem there.
You don't got a cane looking stuff. Okay.
I think that's it on the place.
Yeah. I think that's the same thing though. That's the place.
Yeah, good. And the car take the weather. After a while, what you put in it? Get yellow. Use to get yellow. What's in the yellow? Okay.
Okay then. Elephant grass. Okay.
I like that because when I want it,
Yeah.
It's small. So I come and I bought it in the space on acre right there. I tell them, me take care of the farm. I clean it and leave things I do acre here. And work up on the crop and I start working up on the crop. Then I decided I want to do an next acre more back. But the cow don't used to sleep on the light, right? So I put in a front to sleep on the light. Well, I get to the piece there. Next acre, or even almost 6. So I used to call it in at the farm, right? And then you say, the night I hear the ball and then free time. I don't know my next man, 6 o'clock, I'm going to work up on the crop at home. When I come back in the evening, I got that big cow drop that picture bucket. Big she cowboy, pretty cow, dead right there. There they got a calf, what's about big? I lose the calf. So I left with 4 cows and I'm just starting to run, you know. And I got to 6 already. 3 days after, I come and I spray hard on the fence. And I got the fence right across there. Spray on the fence with grammar was strong. I chase the corner way across there. I don't see the cow cross there, put in the weeds and the cow so. You can't see him. Not conscious when the cow come right back behind me and start eating. The grass I spray the grammar 5 more cow in it. Fuck her, boy. I tell you, no, I try my best to try and get there. I can't look. Now, just last 2, you know, level 4. Then she called now 5. So I try my best. I till all night, the night, I can't get my monkey busy after 3 days. like you start get back to this strength, right? You start get back and with the shit up. Right? So like you get back a little bit, like you alone busy to get back. You and work again next morning, it cold down, they get back with you. One deep hole in there. Then you go drink water, you know? You go have a drink, step right down there, like suck in quick, and because it's still not strapped up the strength, drop there, the hole there, and the home protect your hand, and it works. And I got the easing. It's down weak. All the leg cramp up. I lose her again. Come back down to 3. But 6. But I never give up, man. Not have that 30 there. I never give up. And I gone back on it. Remember good man tell me I can help and chop a fast there, right? So $10 I was 200 cow. So come in and work for 2 more cow. 2 more cow. Hard work, hard labor. Charm every day chopping, so hard work. Man give me that 2 more heifer. So then I gone to 5. Then this day I start paying full now. I don't make the fence back then. Then I come fence up to the 4 place here. 20 acres. Then I put them across the kind of no faster there, right? Then I start go up. Right? And later on again, the son never got a job, right? My late son never got a job. So I don't have for party other than man. So I tell them when you're broke, I want to sell one, kill one, sell, right? And so he started to start kill out and start selling because we don't have enough pasture plus he don't have a job. And I gotta get them on a job, but I'm work there for my thing about Dubai. I'm gonna kill the now one more time. First month, the first day they get, I kill the so. Rough. But then but still I remember like 250 cow, 300 cow if I may got the pass and the time right to them. I tell you the water there as I start cow already. And last time I did at 29 or 31. Then I tell you I still want to go 16 and you have to sell on 2, but when they say the price is reasonable, next 2-3 days you come back you want next 2, you want next 1. If you left to me him I buy all. Well, I tell you because the price is cheap. So I said no. I'm not selling no more, but I'm not in a hurry. You pay. You just have to work. You have to have money right now. Like a bull in my part right now, that's like a pen bull. That's what like $3,000. You got a long door of them white man sell bull, well a qualified bull for a pen. Just the size $5,000 for a bull. They don't wait, you know. That's just kind of a serving bull, right? Bull to serve. Put them 4,000 The earlier system but by a sale last night, it's about 7,000 one. The young bull, 7,000. So, everything have money, but you just have to work. Like I tell you want to get that up, but you just have to work. You take work, the hardest have to start after you don't set yourself, you want to have the money to come in.
Yeah, man.
Because right now, if I suppose just stick or whatever, and everybody get broke, I sell a because right now that's $1,500.
Wow.
The least, $1,500. If I sell a bull right now, that's $2,000 or $2,500, I sell a bull for. So you can't go wrong. In the future, you got 30, 40, 50 people. You don't set up. That's your bank right there now. I'm going to be this bank of it. That's your bank right there.
Hey, yo, tell us you made that.
Bad mind too real. My friend them fake. And me can't trust me one family, can enough of them want hate. Dog, every day them pray. Bad mind them want see me fail. But a long time me see the world real, so me keep my space. When me walk out I run me happy what my thing. They don't want see me win, so them a bust fake grin. Chat a bag of thing what they don't know about. They don't want see man just chill. Man I work real hard for a pay some bill. Man I cut some yard and I light up grill. How them stand so dog, man kind grumpy dog. They don't want me win but still I don't need no problem. Me cut off family, cut off friend. Me cut off all of my enemy, them no need no damn problem. Yeah. Me cut off family, cut off friend. Me cut off all of my enemy, them come in no rape mankind. Them too bad mind, 10 bad word for the boy one time. Humble youth and them a watch man life. Tell them go so with them hating life, come in no rape mankind. Them too bad mind, 10 bad word for the boy one time. Humble youth and them a watch man life. Tell them go so with them hating life. It's sad, how me can't trust nobody, but that's alright. Cause the Bible tell me you can't trust no man. But I got faith in a God. Always so that me a hold on. Me hold a vibes in myself all day, my G, that won't do me no wrong. Me watch my two side when I walk. Cause me no bad mind, them woulda kill me. Me hold a faith and I pray that one day bad mind woulda stop pre me. But them want kill me before man reach there. Woulda want see me on the ground and kick me. Me hold a vibes, me hold my space and just know right now, dog, I don't need no problem. cut off family, cut off friend. Me cut off all of my enemy, them no need no damn problem. Yeah. Me cut off family, cut off friend. Me cut off all of my enemy, them come in no rape mankind. Them too bad mind, 10 bad word for the boy one time. Humble youth and them a watch man life. Tell them go so with them hating like come in no rape mankind. Them too bad mind, 10 bad word for the boy one time. Humble
Straight there, this is no. They're really sweet, man. More. Yeah, that's sweet now. Sweet now. Right now. Try your one, see. Sugar.
Yeah, bye.
That's not going to be right now.
This? This go go with the
Yeah.
the Caribbean way.
Get a drink. Yeah, that's not going to go there. Why? This time, look.
We hope you enjoyed that episode, like how we did. And to all our like town folks out there, reason I'm specifically focusing on town, if you see that there's areas within your community, try to find out what's going on with that, maybe a vacant lot or something, to see if you could utilize it as Mr. Jack, you know, as you see in this episode that Mr. Jack did. Like Arnie said, rather than having it bushy and you have snakes and rats infesting your neighborhood, try to see what can be done so you could, you know, chop it out and then utilize it as maybe like a community garden or something.
And if you're afraid to say, oh, you don't want to go and touch nobody lot, you could always go to town board and talk to one of the evaluators to find out specifically who owned the lot.
Exactly. So, yes, and once again, large up Mr. Jack for the excellent video and for taking us on a tour on his farm.
And while large up Destiny Wagner as well.
Large up yourself, Destiny, large up yourself. She also was on a tour with us when we actually visited Mr. Jack's farm. So large up yourself, Destiny. And as always, like every other show, Yard Lights still have
Soil for sale.
rich soil. All you have to do is just hit the number
Down below.
and we'll be there. So once again, guys, we hope that you enjoyed this episode. We'll be back next week for a brand new episode with your host. I'm Jalilino.
And I'm Arnie Augustine.
And we're out.